Now we're talking about doing a EBIT earnings per share analysis. And as I've told you before now, an EBIT earnings per share analysis is really making you choose between capital structures, the mix of capital that a company should use. And again, the purpose of an EBIT earnings per share analysis is to show you the capital structure that's going to maximize earnings per share. Now, here's the problem that we're going to work in the next few videos now. These are two competing capital structures, and it's A and B. And you could look at this as, we're starting a company and we want to know which capital structure to use, or maybe you're actually using capital structure A and you think about moving to capital structure B, or you already have a capital structure and you're wondering whether you should increase your debt 40% or 60%. Again, we're talking about choosing between capital structures here. Now here's the problem, the example that we're going to work in the next couple of videos here. Now with capital structure A, if you finance the company with capital structure A, you're going to have 40% of your assets financed with debt, 10% with preferred stock, and 50% with equity. If you go with capital structure B, you're going to use more financial leverage. And with capital structure B, we're going to have 60% debt, 10% preferred, and 40% equity. What's the ramifications of this? Well, you estimate that if you go with capital structure A, your interest expense will be $30,000. Your preferred stock dividend that you're going to owe is going to be $5,000. If you go with capital structure A, then you're going to have 8,000 shares outstanding, and your marginal tax rate, state plus federal, is going to be 30%. If you go with capital structure B, 60% debt, 10% preferred, 40% equity, you're going to have $45,000 in interest. We're using more debt, we would have what? More interest expense. We're using the same percentage in preferred stock, so we keep the preferred stock dividend the same. We'll pay $5,000 in preferred dividends under either capital structure. The number of shares outstanding. A had more equity, less debt, so you have 8,000 shares outstanding if you go with capital structure A. B has more debt, less equity. You'd have fewer shares outstanding under capital structure B. You'd only have 6,000 shares. And I keep the tax rate the same under both, 30% marginal state tax rates. Now, this is the problem that we're going to work in the next few videos. You might want to put that aside somewhere so you can kind of refer to it. But this is the example that I'm going to run through to show you how to do an EBIT, earnings per share analysis.